Hi guys! We're here in the Costco guys. Super hot. We're here sa Florida for today.
Nice and cool today.
It's not guys, it's so hot.
Get a breeze today.
Yeah, I have a breeze, but it's so hot. What is the temperature here for today?
I don't know, like 20 degrees.
No.
Oh, shit.
Sobrang init. As in, sobrang init dito.
It's only 34.
34. Ah.
It's like it's a nice, cool, breezy day.
I
You
forgot
gotta
to bring them. New
Yeah,
glasses.
you always forget. I need to leave them in the car. Because it's the only time you really need them. You're not gonna
Sobrang
use them.
init siya. Grabe, sobra. Tignan mo yung Costco. Oh. Ang laki. Tignan mo yung ano nila. Yung Costco nila. Ang laki.
You're gonna find out who's Filipino in the store.
The...
You're gonna start yelling, Pastika, color crust.
Oh shit, that's a bad
It's
word.
not really a bad word, is it?
It's a bad word.
No, it's just, doesn't it mean something like annoying?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not a bad word.
That's a bad word.
Yeah, how do you say retarded?
Huh?
How do you say
Buang
retarded?
ka.
Buwanka.
Yes,
I
buang
like
ka.
that one. Buwanka. Buwanka. We're gonna find out. Buwanka.
Buang ka.
Pastika Buwanka. Annoying retard. Hang on.
Yung init nga talaga. Sobrang init dito eh. Nakakahilo. So, papasok muna kami kasi mamimili kami for today's video. So, babay muna. So, we are here inside near the Costco. Sobrang laki dito. Namamangha ka sa sobrang laki sa loob. At ang dami nilang mga paninda is like for wholesale price. Diyan andito. What we gonna buy here?
We need cat food and a couple of things, maybe some meat.
Mahal niya talaga yung iring niya at yung aso niya. Yun na yung pinunta dito, bumili ng pagkain sa iring at iro niya. Mahal yung pagkain ng iro niya.
Cat food, that's what I'm deciding right now.
You change the cat food,
Maybe it's
baby
kinda
doesn't like
kinda
to that
what
one?
Layla has right now.
Okay.
Instead of the one that she has, give her something a little different because I'm sure she's getting tired of the same thing.
Kasi mahal niya yung iring niya, mahal yung pagkain sa iring niya.
Mushrooms.
Yeah, mushroom.
We have sweet peppers, the different mushrooms.
Yeah, I will look here. What's in here? Daming pagkain dito. Tinapay pa nga lang. Oh, I am looking what I'm gonna buy here. Nakakasawa din yung pagkain pag lagi mong nakikita. Mano kasi dito, alam mo yung parang pang wholesale. Kaya magsasawa ka kasi tamad silang kumain. Ako lang yung medyo malakas kumain sa amin. Kaya nakakatamad kumain. Sila kasi hindi masyadong kumakain. So buy for now first. I need to choose the banana. Bili akong hilaw na banana para matagal siyang hinog kasi may avocado pa ako dun sa bahay. And what is that one?
Strawberry ice cream.
Jesus Christ. Perting dako aning ilang hotdog diri tanawa ha. Perting tag-asa liwat nila, perting tag-asa dagko kaadto. Perting mga buso ka oh. Ko Japan man tag kumaon ini.
Ketchup or mustard? Saw that.
Kung mahilig ka dito sa soft drink sa Amerika, talagang tataba ka. Kasi bakit? Yung soft drinks dito is unlimited drink all you can. Yan o. Yan.
The only problem right now, the ice maker isn't making enough ice.
Yeah. Yan o. Tingnan mo. Lahat ng drinks andyan, unlimited. So kung mahilig ka, lulubo ka talaga. Kasi bakit? Free kang kumuha. Pag-order ka lang ng ganito, malaking hotdog at saka yung sobrang ka, busog ka na kasi doon sa soft drinks, iba-iba ka na. Di ka na lugi.
Can't get out if you don't have your receipt.
So,
This isn't Walmart. Walmart, they check your receipt, you can get out. But here,
you're not allowed.
You sign up for the card. You sign up that you have to show your receipt.
So we
the
are
membership.
done. Init na naman sa labas.
I know they didn't have beef, but I got salmon.
No, why you didn't buy for Jack
They
the...
didn't have any good beef. It was all like $20 a pound.
Sobrang init siya. Nakakamata yung init. Kasi nakakamata yung init. Sakit sa ulo.
Go to the left. Go to the road. Stay on the left.
I don't like in there, it's so hot.
It's the same either way, but you can't be out in the middle of the street. You're like a kid.
Why?
I'm gonna get you one of those. They have those leashes that you can put on a kid now. I'm gonna get one of those for you.
You.
No, you. I'm not the one walking in the middle of the goddamn street.
Because it's so hot.
It's not gonna get it. Get any cooler walking in the middle of the street.
Sobrang init, promise. Grabe yung init.
Come on.
This is Florida. The weather here is hot.
Yeah, but there's a
Parang
breeze.
Pinas. Para siyang Pinas. Hindi naman siya totally na parang
No, I mean,
Maynila na
walk
parang
in front.
walang
Go to the
hangin.
right. Go straight to the right.
Asan na yung car namin?
I mean, I'm gonna run you.
Uy, gatay na.
I'm telling you, why? You don't listen to what I tell you.
Yung weather
I said,
here,
I said go to the right.
I'll
What do
not
you do? Go to
listen
the
to
left.
yung weather dito sa Florida, para siyang probinsya. Alam mo yung mainit siya, pero ano siya, may tawag nun, may hangin. Oh, why is it like that? So may hangin. Pero sa may part ng Florida na, oh my God, na ano siya, init lang siya. Sa bandang Orlando, sobrang init siya, wala siyang breeze. Dito kasi perfect ang weather dito, kahit mainit siya, may hangin, para siyang Pinas. Ay, hindi siya, yung parang sa probinsya ba? Ganon yung weather dito. Parang sa probinsya na medyo mainit siya, na yung hangin maganon-ganon. Tingnan nyo, oh, yung mga ano, oh, yung mga dahon, oh, gumagalaw siya. Maganda ang weather dito kumpara sa ibang lugar na may snow. Kasi pag may snow, di ka makakagalaw. Mahirap gumalaw pag may snow, lalo na yung snow makakapal. So, maganda ang weather dito. Pinainitan ako. Okay, bye. Where are we going? Pupunta na naman daw siya sa... Where?
So it started by a pan that you ruined.
Punta na naman siya sa ibang tindahan.
No, we're going
Kakalabas ang namin doon sa may
We're
Costco.
going home.
Home ata.
Then
Ilang,
we'll go to the store.
iwan ko, ano, ito ano. Nagbagot-bot si Jack, kaya gija ko nung lutuan namin ni ka buntag. Nasunog ko ng lubot.
The butt?
Lubot, the butt.
What about your butt? Your low
Not my
butt?
butt.
You said low butt.
Lubot sa lutuan. Is just
Lubot?
the butt of the pan.
No, you ruined the whole pan. Not the butt of the pan, the whole pan.
Arte nga yung hinampak na to. How will you know that I am the one who burning that one?
I don't think Jack is cooking.
Oh, Jen Myers. Of course, that's normal.
No, it's not
If
normal.
you use the pen, the butt of the pen will be burned because you use the stove.
No, you turned it up on high and used metal utensils in it, which I told you don't do that.
May tayo
You don't listen
tenses sa
to me.
mga mata. It's just normal.
It's not normal.
Yes, it is normal. Burning burning in the butt of the pan is normal.
No, you burnt the pan and it doesn't work anymore.
No, the other
ruined
one
my
is perfectly working. It's
No.
just your imagination.
No more using
you
my
just
pan.
want to wasting money.
No more using my pan so I don't waste money.
And no, you can use my pan. I can use
Yeah,
the
you
pan.
know, you have pans and you're the one that you use for fish.
I didn't cook fish for your pan.
You have the other one I gave you to use for that. And you still used my pan to cook fish.
Of course, I can use everything I want to use.
As long as you don't burn it and I can use it when I'm ready to use it.
I don't like if you just cook so
I know
slow.
you don't like that I have a
So slow.
that I have my own pan and you had to ruin it.
It's not ruining it. It's normal.
No, it's
Burning.
abnormal.
The abnormal is burning the house. Burning the pen is normal
No, it's not.
because we are living in the world of the
The burning pans?
we are living in the world of
Burning pans.
no what is it? It's open fire. How to say that?
We don't have open fire, we have an electric stove.
Sometimes I cook
You burn my
outside.
pan. You don't use that pan outside. You
Ay,
use
Jesus Christ. And now, we are home. Oh, bumili na siya ng hanggang marami.
Jesus. Here, don't put that in the freezer.
What?
Just keep it in the refrigerator. Because they'll crush it all. I didn't buy a freezer. And there's not much room in the freezer anymore.
Del Monte. Tingnan ko nga, baka made in saan to.
What?
Kaya to. Hindi.
Here, grab this box, honey. Raj, grab this box. I'll put these away, so don't worry about that. Here, put the chicken nuggets in the freezer.
Yeah.
And the mango in the freezer.
I'm not sure if this mango is yummy. So falling love.
What time is it, guys? You still have a little bit of time. You still have a little bit of time. I'll put that away. I'll put
Tingnan
that.
mo yung pagkain sa iring niya, oh. How much is this?
I don't know.
Mahal niya ang kanyang iring. Mahal ang pagkain sa kanyang iring.
What's the name of it?
Kitty.
No, it is not called kitty.
Kitlan. Patty. Patty. How much is that one? Kati. Patty.
I paid $30 for it.
Oh, you just imagine. $30
For 45 days of eating? There's
pagkaon ra na sa isang iring kada hapon.
Harpoon.
You just
Harpoon.
imagine gaano niya kamahal yung iring niya. Oh, mahal ang kanyang budget para sa iring. Napay budget sa iro. Mas mahal pa yung pagkain sa isang iring ug iro kay naho. Ganon siya niya kamahal ang iring sa iro kay di na ho pwede awayog iring ug iro. Ganon niya kamahal.
Doesn't go up there.
Where?
It's where the snack next to it.
Oh, full.
No, it isn't. Put it where the snack. Oh my God, you're so all over the place.
Puno na. Ganun siya ka-addict.
Punani.